if you need additional room going one area, you can take this and move it up. So open, tilt it this way, and go bite down. And now you have access further down on the other side. If you need more on this side, you can either flip it around or open. You can take this, pull it forward, and bite. And now you have more access there. I'm going to flip it around, Steve, okay?
Okay. Yep.
Or you can take this, whoops, sorry, didn't mean to do that for you, sorry.
And, well, remember you're going to flip it and it's going to be upside down?
No, I'm not going to flip it, I'm just doing this.
Okay.
Open, pull it forward, up,
Good, yes.
and then give you a little more room and then bite down. So that now you have a lot more access all the way around. Now I'm going to push it back down, open, bite down. There you go. Did I miss any of them, Sean?
No, except now you're going to rotate it to the other side.
What do you mean rotate?
Take the mouthpiece out.
Mouthpiece stays
Okay.
in and you just take the hose out and plug it in the other
No,
side?
we can't do that.
That is a shame.
Yeah, hold on.
It just doesn't work.
It doesn't work, it doesn't come out. So
It's
now
too tight of a fit.
we can take that. So now take this. I know what happened. Just tilt it in here, drop that down and bite. There you go. That's it. Open. And now open. We can tilt this and bite. And now you have access to that side.